Hey family, happy Friday. I'm Herbalist Viola and welcome to Very Wise Alternatives. Look, before we get started, like, share, and subscribe so you can make sure you don't miss the next video. Today I just want to do a quick colon cleanse. Look, we already know death begins in a clogged colon. So to unclog that colon, I'm just going to show you that I just use real quick, especially when I'm not feeling, I'm like, wait a minute, did I eat a whole bunch of garbage? Because sometimes, I'll try some wheat. Wheat is not my friend. Wheat is not my friend. So when I do a good cleanse to make sure everything's out, I just look. Some people don't understand how the little things like soy, eggs, corn, wheat, flour, those things kind of irritate us and we want to get it out of our colon and get it out. I mean, get everything out, especially some parasite. Make sure I show you something real quick. So come on, let's go get started. So a quick and easy colon cleanse using live foods. We're always taking that over the counter, but I'm going to show you a quick recipe that I use to do a quick colon to make sure that we get everything out. Ingredients, just 4 ingredients, and look, it's easy because I'm pretty sure you have these items at home. So we're going to use a cucumber. We're going to use some pineapples. And I'm going to do some Black Walnut Hull. Yes, some Black Walnut Hull. And this last secret ingredient is for later. So make sure you have a blender. Make sure you have a knife, a nice cutting board. I already pre-cut my pineapples. I normally freeze them up and store them up. I hope you guys are storing them up. So you're going to need a little cup to drink. You don't have to use this, but I like to shake mine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and peel my cucumber. So we're talking about live food. So you want a cucumber. Cucumber is 95% water. A lot of us don't think about the cucumber. It aids in digestion. It helps your body regulate the temperature. It flushes toxins out your body. It actually has vitamin A, vitamin B1, B6, C, and D. It also has magnesium and potassium. So that's why we're using the cucumber. So you just cut it up and put it inside your blender. The reason why we're using pineapple aids in digestion as well. What it does is helps with inflammatory. It also improves digestion. When you blend in pineapple and cucumber, creates a juice that will detoxify your colon, removes excess waste from the colon, because a lot of us got stuff in there and we want to get it out. So what I do is Black Walnut Hull is an antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory. So what this does, it actually helps get parasites. Remember I was talking about the parasites? Remember the last video, I was like, everybody has parasites. So this helps. So when we getting all that stuff and relieving inflammation, we want to make sure that we also remove the parasites. So this is just something quick. It's just something quick. So I normally just put 2 tablespoons. Look now, on 2 tablespoons. And remember, this is Black Walnut Hull. It's not the walnut itself. So some people get it confused. So I want to make sure that you know that's what we're doing. And then we blend. Combine together, powerful blend. There we have it. So what you want to do is get your glass that you're going to store it in, and then you just pour it. So there you have it. You can actually have this for the week. So just something real quick and easy, something that you can use. So what you want to do, so my secret, you just want 1 cup. You can do this 3 times a day. What I do is I add a kick of cayenne pepper tincture. I just put 2 drops. 2 drops. And there you have it. And what you do is you store the rest up in the refrigerator. Clean this off. So there you have it. This is my kick. This is something I do. You know, I'm always telling y'all to sit down and drink. We shouldn't be standing. You know, I'm always telling y'all to sit down. So this is me sitting down, relaxing, and cleaning my colon. Tastes good. I'm always putting cayenne pepper because it gives it a kick. You already know the cayenne pepper. Look, pain relief and everything else. So enjoy yours. So look, we use cucumbers, we use pineapple, we use black walnut hull, and my secret cayenne pepper. You can use black pepper, essential oil of zoo, just 1 drop. You see, I use 2 drops of cayenne pepper. So enjoy, family. Tastes pretty good. You can use, and you can use this, you can do it out the day. You can do it 3 times a day, and I don't recommend you eat something heavy. If I was you, this is a day that you could just, light food is maybe just fruits and vegetables. I'm talking about a low carb fruits and vegetables, more like, a salad, some leafy green vegetables. So this is the time. So don't think you can go in there and add a whole bunch of stuff, meaning the things that I named, the flour, any sugary. You want to stay away from that. So I'm just showing you something quick and easy that you can do for the weekend. Like today's Friday, you could do it Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then Monday you should be good to go, cleaning out that colon. So I just wanted to show y'all something real good. So look, happy Friday. So this week, I know it's payday. This week, get your Black Walnut Hull. Telling you, get killing parasites. Just something real quick and easy. Look, me getting rid of them parasites. And it tastes so good. All right, family. I'm going to stop clowning. Look, enjoy and try it. Try it. It's so easy. So easy.